Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to Warren, Manitoba. Warren, Manitoba, only 15 minutes away from the perimeter. This is a fantastic bedroom community. So many great things going on in the neighborhood. We've got schools, we've got community centers, we've got community. But more importantly, what do we got here? The bank is selling this triplex, guys. Looks to be fully renovated. We're talking updated roof, siding, soffits, fascia, gutters. We've got updated windows. Foundation seems straight and solid, and it's a triplex. All new electrical, updated plumbing, so many great things. Now I'm assuming this is all accurate because I don't know who owns it. I know that the bank is selling it, and this is a great opportunity to get in. Fantastic opportunity here. You're gonna love it. This is a great neighborhood to own rental property. Check it out. Well, we're here in the backyard and we've got a fully fenced in, very large private backyard. Like most of Warren, things are private here. You know, one thing I didn't mention before is it has a garage that's been in the process of being converted into a fourth unit. Now, I don't know if the municipality approved it. I don't know if it has permits. I don't know if it can be actually turned into a unit, but it's a great potential for something. That'll conclude our tour here at 323 Atwell Lane in Warren, Manitoba. If you're anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. It is fantastic. It's got piles of updates, and they're just unloading it, man. 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 Dude. Just wait for the gust to stop gusting.
Go.
I gusted gustily. You know, to be 100% honest, I have been here twice, and both times people have like stopped and asked me about renting this unit. Like 2 times I've been here, people are like, "Is there any units available for rent?" Yeah, I'm just gonna list it. Like I'm not a landlord for you. Maybe I should buy it, I don't know.
Maybe you should buy it.
Maybe I should buy it. Maybe I should own a Warren, Manitoba rental.